Hey guys, today we're here at the Hallmark Car Wash in Baytown, Texas. Here's our Pontiac Grand Prix GXP. Yeah, and this is the Mitsubishi Mirage. It's already gone in. Now the guys are spraying our car. In fact, I want to zoom the camera up. So, here it's about to spray pre-soak on the car. Okay, I have to zoom the camera out. And there's those big blue brushes. And there's the big blue thing coming. There's more soap just spraying on our car. Here come the big brushes. I'm gonna walk right here to the next window to see the Grand Prix. And yeah, now there's a big blue thing, and there's wheel scrubbers. There's a triple wax, but we're not using it today. We just got the basic today.
If I have to go, it would be behind that.
Now here's another two basket thing.
As long as they don't break into my
Yes. This is my first time here, and they stopped the wash. Alright, so the entire car wash just stopped. There was a problem with the car in front, the Mitsubishi Mirage, and it's the 2008 Pontiac Grand Prix GXP here. No. Well, and now I'm gonna walk right here while I'm waiting for the car wash to start up.
And then you gotta see if they peek you, right? And so you sit there all day, and then usually what they do is say, okay, you can go down there, that's right. You better hope that's what they do.
And there they go. There's a blaster spraying water right on the car. If you could take a look at it, I would be rather curious, because I'm not that much of an expert at car washes. If I would know what kind of car wash this is, I would be curious about it. Now it's doing rinse sealer wax. Alright, and now the dryers are gonna come on to dry the Grand Prix. And there they go. They're gonna dry up our car. It's our 2008 Pontiac Grand Prix GXP. And of course, these are those big blue blowers right there. Oh God, they're strong. Yeah, it's Hallmark Car Wash in Baytown. Oh my God. Yeah, because this was my dream to be here at this car wash. Yeah, this was my dream. And now there goes our Pontiac Grand Prix GXP. I'm gonna walk right here to see the Grand Prix. Put the camera up a little bit. And there it goes. It's all nice and clean. Hope you enjoyed this special video. Thanks for watching.